Hello, so let's quickly solve this problem. It says solve the equation, this, right? So we want to solve this and obtain the value of A, like make A the subject in this equation, right? So what's the first thing that you need to do? Solution. You find the LCM of what you have in your denominator, which is 3. LCM of 3 and 4 will give you 12. So 12 divided by 3 will give you what? 4. 4 times what you have in your numerator. 4 multiplied by what you have in your numerator, right? Minus 12 divided by 4 will give you 3. Then 3 times what you also have here. Equal to 1 over 2. Bring down your 1 over 2. You distribute. You use 4 to distribute this and use minus 3 to distribute into this. And simple as that, we have 4 times 2a will give you 8a minus 4 times minus 1 will give you 4. Minus 3 times a will give you minus 3a. Minus 3 times 5 will give you what? Minus 15 over what? 12 equal to 1 over 2. So what do you do now? You collect like terms. Collection of like terms means since you have 8a here, you have a here. Just bring them together, add, and also do the same thing for the numbers, right? So 8a minus 3a will give you what? 5a. 5a. Then minus 4 minus 15 will give you what? Minus 19 over what? 12 equal to 1 over 2, right? You cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you have what? 2 into what? 5a minus 19, right? Equal to what? This times 1 will give you 12. You have 10a here minus 38 equal to 12, right? Hence, 10a equal to 12. This will come to this side. Change this to what? Addition, right? Changes to addition. Good. So here we have 10a equal to 12 plus 38 will give you what? 50. It will give you 50. This is equal to 50. You divide both sides with coefficient of a. Divide this side with 10. 10. You have what? 10 cancel 10. 0 will cancel 0. Then hence a is equal to 5 divided by 1 will give you what? 5. Hence the value of a is what? 5. As simple as that.